Why should a student choose to enroll in the Sustainable Industrial Engineering program?
It is a challenge that was created together with local companies in order to understand what are the demands of this territory. We thought a way to integrate classical mechanical teachings together with what we think is the future of mechanics. So we introduce courses of artificial intelligence, innovative materials, and robotics.
I believe students should enroll in the Sustainable Industrial Engineering program because it truly is the future of mechanical and industrial engineering. In fact, nowadays is creating a functional product or an efficient process is no longer enough. Companies are shifting towards sustainability, towards data-driven processes. So the course really prepares you to this type of transition. The high connection with companies is really what makes it future-oriented. Given this high involvement of companies with the classes, with the projects, really gives you both technical and soft skills that allow you to be an engineer of the future.
What is the relationship between students and professors?
So as a master degree level, we have the opportunity as professor not only to teach very basic concepts, but also to share experiences of what are our research fields. In this way, it creates a relationship that is based on a previous experience and also allow a storytelling way of teaching about the case study that were really solved in the past by the teachers. This can also be seen in the fact that several professors organize field trips to companies where there's a relationship with or very specific plant or case study that they want to share with the students.
I really appreciated the relationship with the professors. They were all very open, both during classes and also outside, open to discussion. Also, given the fact that at the moment the course is not very large, we managed to have a very direct communication with them, and we did many project works and team works. We were constantly receiving feedbacks from the professors, practical guidance. So this motivated us both from a technical and personal way.
How is the course structured? Is it in presence? Does it include laboratories? In which language?
The course is in English. I will give you more details, leaving to Salvatore the description of the course itself. So what we did was to structure the masterclass in order to integrate basic teachings together with what companies require for future engineers. And so we focused a lot on soft skills, and those soft skills are developed, for example, through group projects and challenges that the classes need to solve in mostly of the teaching over the 2 years. So the fact that also the course is taught in English is also part of this soft skill development in order to create challenges within challenges. So the idea of graduating in engineering together to be capable of working into groups, to present the research or the product of your essay, and also to do this in English in order to broaden your horizons after you graduate.
The course is taught fully in English, and the classes are in presence. There is a very strong focus on practical learning, many laboratory experiences. We used several different design programs, programming environments, and numerical simulation tools, and technologies connected to automation. This is a very learning by doing approach, which I really appreciated, and helps you to immediately apply what you learned on field.
Does the course include or encourage international experiences?
What we are learning now, because this is quite new, and we are collecting the first data for the first years of this masterclass. And what we saw is that as an English taught course, this is a fast track to several experience. So will help a lot to enroll in Erasmus Plus projects, or for example, to think about post-graduation programs, for example, for PhDs. The numbers are saying that, a significant part of students that enroll this class in a way or another went through an international experience.
Students can both decide to take the Erasmus program for 6 months, for a 6 months experience abroad, or carry out their internship abroad. And being the course fully in English gives you the opportunity to easily integrate in international scenarios and global realities.